In this video, I'll guide you through how to integrate Paperform with Airtable so that your form responses flow straight into a structured database without any manual copying and pasting. First, start by opening Paperform and either creating a new form or editing an existing one. If you already have a form set up, just open it from your dashboard. If you're creating a new one, give it a clear name and add the questions you want people to answer, such as names, emails, or other details you plan to collect. It's helpful to think ahead here. The fields you create in your form will need to match up with the fields you have in Airtable later on. Once your form is open, look for the form settings area. Inside the settings, you'll find a section called integrations. This is where Paperform connects to other tools, including Airtable. Go ahead and open the integrations section. So take a moment to glance at the other options so you're familiar with what's available. But for now, we're going to focus specifically on Airtable. Next, select Airtable as the destination for your form responses. In Paperform, this usually means choosing Airtable from a list of available integrations and then selecting the type of action you want, such as creating a new record whenever someone submits the form. By choosing Airtable, you're telling Paperform where to send the data and how to handle it once a submission comes in. Now you'll need to connect your Airtable account. If this is your first time doing it, Paperform will ask you to authorize access. Typically, you'll either log into Airtable or paste in an API key from your Airtable account settings, depending on how the integration is set up at the time. Follow the prompts carefully and only grant access from a secure network or device you trust. After you confirm access, Paperform and Airtable will be linked, and you should see your Airtable workspaces or bases appear as options. With the connection in place, choose the base and the specific table where you want your form responses to be stored. Think of the base as the overall project or database, and the table as the particular sheet where each submission will become a new row. Select a base that's organized for the type of data you're collecting, then pick the table that has the fields you want to populate. The next step is to map your form fields to the corresponding Airtable fields. This is critical for keeping your data clean and useful. For each question in your Paperform form, select the Airtable field that should receive that answer. For example, match your form's full name question to the name field in Airtable and your email address question to the email field. Try to align field types as well: text to text, numbers to number fields, dates to date fields, and so on. This helps prevent formatting issues and makes filtering and sorting easier in Airtable later. Once all your important fields are mapped and you've double-checked that everything looks correct, save the integration. Saving locks in the connection and ensures that every new submission will automatically create a record in your chosen Airtable table. It's a good idea to do a quick test by filling out the form yourself and confirming that the data shows up in Airtable exactly where you expect it. That's all there is to it. You've now integrated Paperform with Airtable, so your form submissions can be captured, organized, and ready for reporting or automation with no extra manual work.